Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. If you're here, welcome to Her Lounge, the channel that always brings to you latest and trending hairstyles and nail designs. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, or you have been watching my video but you have subscribed, why not join us? Please subscribe, okay, so that you don't miss out on our latest trend, okay, so that you don't miss out on our latest upload. Trust me, you can't afford to miss our style because we bring nothing but latest and trending designs that will definitely take your nail game to the next level. Thank you so much for joining us. So guys, today's video is not an exception as we have carefully selected most unique and gorgeous nails ideas. Yes, these are simple but cute nails ideas for my ladies. Beautiful nail art designs for short nails for beginners. Ensure not to miss any slide. Trust me, you can't afford to miss any of the designs. And please, as you watch, kindly make your selections, okay? Just select your favorites for your next manicure, okay? And if this is not actually what you're looking for, maybe you're looking for Christmas nails or you're looking for, a certain nail, just go into our channel. Trust me, we have varieties, okay? We have lots and lots of stunning designs that will take your nail game to the next level, of course. So guys, just go check our channels out. If you're also looking for hairstyles, why not? We got all of them in this channel and you will definitely love our design. So just go check them out and thank me later. So guys, to watch our videos, do support us, okay? Do encourage us by giving the video a thumbs up. Guys, it means a lot to us. Please just give this video a thumbs up, okay? It will encourage us to even bring more and more designs to you. Thank you, my ladies. So watch, like, comment and share as we'll be looking forward to seeing you again in our next video. Bye for now.